So welcome back again for another video, and for this video we will be reviewing this JBL Sense Lite when playing games and watching videos. So let's go, let's start!
Get ready.
So as you can see, this is JBL Sense Lite. It's magnetic, of course. JBL Sense Lite when playing movies.
Good morning, Hank.
Hope.
Well, Dr. Cross will be so pleased that you could find the time to join us today.
I was surprised to receive any kind of invitation from you, Darren. What's the occasion?
We're ready for you inside.
Long time no see, Dr. Ben. How's retirement?
How's your face?
So this is my recorded video using JBL Sense Lite. I hope when you watch this, my voice and the sound output is in sync with the JBL Sense Lite. So I'm sorry for the crackle-doodle-doo of the roosters. Crackle-doodle-doo. So I hope that my mouth is in sync with the JBL Sense Lite. So what you're hearing like this, that noise, is a sound coming from a fan. So that's a wind noise. So if I turn it off, and this is my sound without any fan, so there's no wind. So I hope that my mouth is in sync with the JBL Sense Lite.
Approaching attack vector. Armament prime.
So when playing on phone, there's a slight sound delay, or there's a sound latency. Bloodstrike PC using JBL Sense Lite. JBL Sense Lite sound test on Firelight 84 PC. As you can see, there's almost no sound delay when playing games using JBL Sense Lite on PC. Delta Force PC using JBL Sense Lite. As you can see, there's almost no delay. That is my review for JBL Sense Lite when it comes to watching videos and gaming. So I hope that you like this review, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more reviews like this, gaming tutorials, key mapping tutorials, and some other contents. So that's all, and see you in the next one.
Get ready.